Hello everybody. Today I want to share with you a product that I purchased. I brought this product maybe I guess between December and January, and I never reviewed it because I like to use the products for a good while before I review it. So it's called the Laundry Alternative Laundry Dryer. This is the manual right here. Now, let me tell you something about this. This is not a heated dryer. This is a spin dryer. I had one many years ago, and I paid $300 and something for it. My mother brought one, and it lasted a long time. And then when that one broke, my mother gave me hers, and I just threw that out some months ago. So again, it's not a heated dryer. So that's what it looks like. It has a start and stop switch, stainless steel drum, and a spout. Now, what's so good about this spin dryer is the fact that if you have a washing machine and it's not spinning out the clothes enough, you can take them and put it in the spin dryer and it will finish spinning them out really, really well. The great part of this is if you don't have a washing machine, you can still hand wash your things and use this machine. And that's what I was doing years ago with the other one that I had. So maybe you live in an apartment and you cannot have a washing machine. Okay. This is not technically a washing machine. So it's small enough to store. And I only paid $158 for this machine. So it says, after removing all protective packaging, stand the spin dryer on a secure, even floor surface and plug the power cord into an electricity socket. Position over a floor drain or place a receptacle under the spout. So I have done it in the I put it in my tub, but it's safer to just put like a little pan or something. You know, the dish pans that you get from Dollar Tree and different things. You can put it under there and it'll catch water. Neatly load the laundry items into the stainless steel drum. Ensure that the load is packed uniformly, with heavier items at the bottom and around the inner wall of the drum. Push items down into the drum with a flat hand to ensure that they are packed tightly with no gaps in the weight, and the weight is evenly distributed. Important, for safety reasons, do not load any hard items such as footwear or stuffed toys. Do not overload to avoid snagging. Ensure that items are packed at least 2 centimeters below the upper rim of the stainless steel drum. Tuck heavier items, i.e. a cloth or small towel, over the top of the load to ensure that the light items or loose straps cannot slide up and snag on the upper rim during use. Now that's one thing that they kind of messed up on. My other spin dryer had a little plastic thing, like comes in my little washing machine that I have, and you put it on top and you push the clothes down. This didn't come with that, but they tell you what to do. So there's a lot more instructions here. Close lid and turn switch clockwise to the start position. This activates the ACS protection system lock on the lid. Protection system lock on the lid before acceleration begins. Okay, so It has a lot of things here. I'm not going to go into the rest of it, but this spin dryer, I always like to talk to my people that's in apartments because I'm an apartment dweller. We're still in the pandemic. You may not want to wash your clothes in the machine in your building or the laundromat. That's just the way I feel about it. So this machine here will be great for you. That's what it looks like. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like inside. Okay. It's supposed to hold 22 pounds. So I'm going to show you just how well this machine works. Okay. So I'm going to put a little pan under the spout. Be right back. So I'm going to put some more clothes. I'm going to put some clothes in here. And you can see how wet they are. These are clothes that I hand washed. A lot. My favorite house dress, y'all. Can you see the noise is not really that bad, you know? Well, I think I said it before. This machine, you have to stop it itself. You have to stop it yourself. It doesn't stop by itself. So after 3, 4, or maybe 5 minutes, I'd say more like 3, you would turn it off. No more water dripping. Look at that. And that's a towel. No more drips. I'm going to put a little more in here. So I didn't put the clothes in there right, and you see how it's acting. So put it down some more. No drips. So I have some more to do, and you see how great this machine is, y'all. It works really well. I don't think that if you live up over somebody, I don't even think that they can hear that machine making any noise or anything. If you are nervous, you can put it on like a little short table, but I don't even think you have to do that. Put a little water on the floor, but put it under there a little more. I like that they put these machines out that's more affordable, because the other one, $300, was pretty steep. But let me tell you, all the years I had it, it saved me so much money. Because with this, anybody can get this. Anybody can pick up this machine. I think I got a warranty on this too. I think it's maybe 2 or 3 year warranty on it. Hard to see him here. This is small enough to move around, like if you're camping and stuff too, you could use this machine. As long as you have a place where you can plug it in. I'm going to stop it again. I'll dry that in. Nice and dry. The reason why I keep saying nice and dry is because some of the other, like my little washing machine that I have, the Awana, people were under the impression on Amazon that it was a regular dryer. No, it's a spin dryer, so you can hang up your stuff, and if you choose to dry it, you can. So y'all, this is the end of my review of my Ninja spin dryer. So I hope you enjoyed this review. I will be coming back with some more. So thank you for being here and watching my channel. And I will leave a link if you are interested in something like this. Please check that link out. and go and get you one, because it's worth, even if you, sometimes you don't need stuff like this right now, but it's good to have on hand. Ooh, I didn't know I had something else in there. It's good to have on hand if something happens and you need another way to wash your clothes. Always be prepared. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye.